What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Ackeem Sterling here. Now in this video I'm going to do an unboxing and a review for you guys of this Wi-Fi panorama camera, and this is easy to achieve real-time remote viewing. So on the box, as you guys can see, this is the camera that comes inside, and this can screw in your bulb socket, as you guys can see right there, and it can connect to your phone for the real viewing experience. So I'm just going to unbox it to let you guys see what's inside. So before I do that, I'm going to show you guys outside the box. So it comes in this neatly packaged box. So basically I'm going to show you guys what's inside by doing an unboxing of this. So in the box right here guys, this is the bulb right here. Put this to the side. So this is the bulb that comes inside right here. I should say camera. So this is the camera that comes inside the package guys. As you can see, it have a little bulb socket right here that can screw into your bulb. So that's pretty it. So this is the camera lens right here, and it also have some light around it, as you guys can see right here. So it looking pretty neat, look premium built. Also, as you guys can see right here, you have a slot for your memory card. So your memory card can go inside right here, and this is a reset button right here that you can basically reset this right here. So I'm put that to the side. Let us see what else inside the box. So inside the box guys, we have the socket right here that you can do your own installation. So basically, if you don't want to install it in your existing bulb socket inside your home, you can install this. So this basically uses 250 volt, which is a 60 watt. So you must be careful when you're installing this, because you're going to use some wire in here, which is basically you can use if you're a 110 or up to 250. So please be careful when you're installing this, or seek a professional by doing those installation. And this is some screw right here which work basically with this in your installation. Inside the box also we have the little pin right here that you can use to reset your camera right here. So, and also in the box we have our instruction manual that you can go through. This basically helps you to set up your camera. You can also scan this code to download it from the Play Store, and it basically show you guys how to connect it to your Wi-Fi, and show you guys how to connect it to your phone. So basically there are different connections in which you can use to connect it, and connect it to your phone is very simple. So let us now look at the camera now and how it basically operates. Alright guys, so for the purpose of this video, I'm basically going to install this, but I'm not going to use this as yet, because I'm not going to want to permanently install this right where I'm showing this video. So basically I'm going to just leave this to the far side, and I'm going to use my existing bulb that I have inside my home to just show you guys how this basically works and how it basically operates. So later on I'm going to install it off camera where I want it. I'm not going to show it on camera. I'm going to use the existing socket that I have inside my home just to show you guys how this basically works and how this operates with the phone and the mobile features with this right here. So basically guys, I'm installing it right now inside this bulb socket right here, like that. Alright guys, so basically this is app features on the phone right here. So once you have scanned your code and download it from your Play Store or your Apple Store. So guys, once you have signed in with your email address and password, you end up on this app right here. Alright guys, so basically once you're on the app like this, you can add your camera right here, and you can add from all these different type of options. You can add by Wi-Fi, your 4G connection, your hotspot direct connect, your hotspot configuration to Wi-Fi, and your network cable connection. So you have different type, you have 5 different type of connection right here in which you can connect your device to your camera. So I already connect my device right here, so I'm not going to go into that. So I'm just going to pull up the camera guys to show you the view of it. So right now it's in live view right now. This is the live view of the camera right now, guys. So it's basically showing right there, as you guys can see. So that's basically right there. So it's live view, as you guys can see right now. So this is the camera, and this is the quality of the camera, guys. So there are different things, option that you can use to control it. So basically on the screen you have the option where you can record, you have option where you can voice, you can talk to someone through the camera by pressing this mic icon right here. You also can turn on your flashlight, toggle on this to turn on your light and those things. You can toggle on it also to turn it off. You can also toggle on this to put on the control. As you guys can see right there, the control, you can move the camera. So there are different things that you can do with this right here. So basically you can rotate the camera by using this right here. So as you guys can see right now, I'm rotating the camera. So that's me right there, and you guys can see the quality of this right here. So let me go in the shade to you guys to see how this quality. And this is basically 1080p, which is a good quality camera that you guys can use in your home for your home security.